So, I want to show you something now. We bought this Fiat 500 last week. It's a twin air model. Every time we start it up, there's a rattling going on at the front. So first of all, I thought, oh, it's a heat shield. Tighten the heat shield down, put some washers underneath it, fired it up, it was still there. So I'm thinking, what could that be? Because it sounds like it's at the heat shield. I've checked everything else around it, there's nothing else rattling. Took this off, and what did I see? The actual spindle that goes into the turbo, which is the same on all these apparently, makes that noise. But if it's tight on that lug that fits on there, then it doesn't make that noise. These wear, and what they do is elongate, and then it gives that room to just move about that little bit to make a rattling noise, and it annoys the life out of you. So obviously, like we do at Valley Autos, we like to make sure all the cars are right before they go out, no matter how big or small the job. So I've decided to take it upon myself to take it apart. So that looks a lot better now. Just got to grind it down and then re-drill it. And what I've done is put a bit of weld in the end here, re-drill it back out, and hopefully it's a snug fit and it stops all the rattles. So let's put it back together and see if it's worked. Now that there now, put the cotter pin in, and there's no playing that whatsoever, nice and tight. So fingers crossed that should cure that. There you go, rattle's gone in a flash.
Subscribe now.